The tea plantations of Sri Lanka, from which the world-renowned Ceylon tea is produced. Here, a centuries-old method is followed to select and pluck the tea leaves that are ideal for tea production. The baskets of tea leaves which are thus collected are transported to the tea factory for transformation into the made tea that we are all familiar with. Withering. The first stage of the tea production process is withering, which is done over 16 to 18 hours and is meant to reduce the moisture content of the leaf and to soften it, making it pliable and able to withstand the subsequent process of rolling. It also activates a series of biochemical reactions, and these enzymatic changes are ultimately responsible for the production of various biochemicals desired for achieving quality parameters in made tea. Rolling and roll breaking. In the rolling and roll breaking process, the purpose of rolling is to achieve the final curved appearance of the tea leaf. The rolling process is what releases the color, the strength, aroma, and the taste of the liquid we ultimately pour into our cups. In this process, the green of the leaf is replaced by a brown, coppery-colored texture. Roll breaking has two primary objectives: to remove twisted leaf off the rolled shoots and to cool the leaf, which would have risen in temperature during the process of rolling. Fermentation or oxidation. Next, the leaf is thinly spread in a cool, well-ventilated room to slowly oxidize or ferment. Here, the flavonols combine with oxygen in the air and develop the flavor, and also changes the color from green to brown. The experienced tea maker judges the extent of quality from the fragrance progressively expressed by the leaf at regular intervals. This sensory judgment is critical to the quality of the infused taste. Drying. Once optimum oxidation has been achieved, the rolled leaf is taken for firing or drying in the tea dryer to arrest further fermentation by deactivating the enzymes and to remove almost all of the remaining moisture of the leaf. Effective firing reduces moisture content in the final product to about 2%, resulting in a crisp, dry tea. Sorting and grading. The last operation is the sorting and grading of the fired tea. It is here that the value of the final product is often determined. The separation of tea particles into grades, that's different shapes and sizes, is required so as to conform to trade standards. This is done by passing the dried tea leaves over a series of vibrating screens of different mesh sizes. This process can be long and tedious, particularly if a large number of grades are made. And this is particularly so in low-grown areas, which can have as many as 12 to 15 grades.